I'm Jacob.helmrick with the agency by Tariq El Musa, powered by eXp Realty, and today I wanted to uncover the truth about interest rates. The past few years, interest rates have been at a historic low. So now with the increased spike in interest rates, buyers are freaking out. Now look, I get it. I certainly don't want to be paying a higher interest rate. However, you need to look at the full picture. Although interest rates are high right now, and they're higher than they have been in nearly the past 20 years, if you go back even farther than that, we're actually closer to the floor for where interest rates historically have been. Plus, looking at the interest rates alone is only one piece of the equation, and you're missing out on equity building opportunities. If you're in a position to purchase a home, rates alone should not be reason enough to stop you from doing so. The past few years, while interest rates were historically low, prices were also incredibly high. Now, in most markets, and especially where I'm in Southwest Wisconsin, home prices have dropped significantly. While the market is still a seller's market, the market is slowly starting to shift into a buyer's market. There's less competition and homes are sitting longer on the market. Now, part of the reason for less competition is that a lot of buyers are worried about the high interest. But again, that's only one piece of the puzzle. And there are options to lower your interest rate. A benefit of purchasing a home right now would be locking in a lower price. So while your interest rate may be higher, you could get a lower price on the home and then you can refinance to a lower rate down the road. Another option is to do a rate buy down. This allows you to spend money and actually purchase a lower interest rate. Now, this is temporary, but it can give you enough time to then refinance later in 6 months to a year or 2 years. On top of that, sometimes you can even get the sellers to offer a credit which can pay that rate buy down for you so that you're not having to fork out extra cash. And one last thing to keep in mind is that, again, if you're in a position to buy, I know the interest rates are high, but if you're currently renting, your interest is 100%. So no, the interest rate should not scare you. There's a little bit of truth and numbers behind the historic interest rates and why it's still a great time to purchase a home. All this to say without even mentioning the equity that you're earning in your home year over year. If you're ready to take home ownership from a dream into a reality, reach out to me by clicking the link below and scheduling that complimentary strategy session. We'll get you connected with a trusted lender. We'll make sure you're fully prepared and we'll help you save thousands on the purchase of your home. Schedule that complimentary call with me by clicking the link below.